good morning. So today we're all finished up on Thomas. Pretty much all the woodwork is finished off, and so we're gonna go on an adventure today, following my aunt and uncle Roger and Monica out to Bull Point on Quadra Island, and I'm gonna do some hiking and eating and drinking and all that kind of fun stuff. I'm just rambling now, so let's go on an adventure.
Cheers. What are you guys drinking? Steamwork?
Steamwork. He's pale ale.
Well, we're done here at this little spot. We're gonna go do some more exploring, find another cool place to see. Yeah, there's the wind. Yeah, Meg, look at that tree. It's huge. That huge one.
Yeah. It's a cool one.
Wow.
Long legs.
How's it going?
Excellent.
Most excellent.
2 thumbs.
2 thumbs up. Oh, good. Not slipping or dying on any of the rocks.
Yeah, don't do that.
No.
You might. We
Okay.
all know you're the.
I'm the slippy guy.
Yeah.
Very neat, a whole person, very unshrunk. I want to do some drone flying, so I want to get a shot of Thomas. And so we're giving Megan a lesson on how to fly drones. I think she's doing great, but I can't. Oh, there it is. It's way up there somewhere.
Oh wow, it doesn't look great on the phone here.
So we're trying to get the drone back. And it's over there, just over the road.
It's like I'm drunk. I feel drunk.
Ah, there it is. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Please don't crash my drone. I just got it.
There he is. Driving and trying to fly a drone.
Ah!
Brakes!
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Careful.
Okay.
This is a very dangerous experiment,
This is
everyone.
super fun. This is so stupid, but so much fun. It's so hard.
Challenge accepted.
Ah!
Yeah,
Don't mind me. They're like, what the heck is going on?
oh gosh. Oh. How was that?
It was fun, but oh my gosh.
Gosh, it's rich. Oh. How are we gonna get out of here, babe? A man and his drone. Hi, buddy. Does he have a name yet?
gonna go for it. Gonna walk across the bridge.
Seems like a bad idea. Yeah.
Coming?
Careful.
Come on. Come on.
Everything's wobbling.
Nice.
Why are you doing this to
Why am
me?
I doing this? Because adventure.
Okay. I think this is my point of no return.
But you're closer to the ground now.
It's a nope.
It's
It's a nope for
It's a hard
me.
note. Hey, you.
Hi. How nice is this?
It's the nicest.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Such a good cliff jump. Well, that is all for today, folks. Our little trip to North Island was a resounding success. We both thoroughly enjoyed everything that we saw up there. We're definitely going to be back. So, yeah, I'm going to end the episode there. And, yeah, if you guys enjoyed what you saw today, hit that like button. If you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. And definitely let me know what you think of the video. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. So, yeah, you guys have a good night, and until I see you guys again, remember to keep on roaming. That's the new one right there. I made it up right now. Yes!